going to make you a quick little video here on how to insert your vocabulary slide deck into an empty deck that I have for you so that I can grade it. Sounds more complicated than it is. Just follow along with me. You were given your scientific method interactive notebook, and you were supposed to do things in it like your interactive notes and your show me what you know and another review of your interactive notes. And then at the very end of that was a section that was your vocabulary slide deck. So your vocabulary deck. You were also given the deck just pulled out by itself too before I figured out how to use the interactive notebook really well. So first thing you need to do is pull up your interactive notebook and split screen that, make it small, and then pull up your empty vocabulary deck that you were given in the assignment. I gave everybody a copy of this in the assignment. It's got directions on it. The red directions go with the original notebook, and the blue ones go with this empty deck. So just follow along what I'm doing. You're going to go over to your interactive notebook, and you're going to highlight slides 5 through 13. So over here in the slide drawer, I'm going to click on 5. And then I'm going to hit Shift and the next one. Shift in this one. You have to hit Shift to highlight it every time you scroll down. So all the way down to 13. Okay, very carefully, what you're going to do here is hit Control C, which is copy. That's what Control C means, is copy. You could also go up here to Edit, Copy, and if you look right here's your key control. Control C. So you hit Control C, and you come over here to your empty deck and hit Control V. Control V is paste or visualize. It allows you to visualize it. I would like for you to link this to the original presentation. Another way for you to add this instead of Control V is you could go to Edit and paste. And see right here is your key code, Control V also. So that's super simple, easy to do. Yours should not look like this because this one's empty. Yours should have lots of information in it. Once it's got lots of information in it and you're happy with it, I would like for you to add this empty deck, which is now full because you put your work in it, to the assignment in Google Classroom and turn it in so I can grade it. You still have a copy of it in this empty deck for me to grade, and you still have a copy of it in your interactive notebook. So you're never without your vocabulary. If you have any questions, just let me know.